Stop. Before you open a new blank doc and try to figure out your next video, watch this. Most creators spend hours staring at nothing, burn 2 weeks trying to research a topic, write a script that goes nowhere, and still publish something that feels half-finished. Every single video starts from zero. No system, no momentum, just grinding through the same painful loop and never catching up. But there's a free method that flips that completely. In this video, I will show you how to build your free AI video engine. 4 cases, each a separate NotebookLM module. A topic selector reading live crypto news. A title and thumbnail creator trained on competitor data. A script writer built from viral videos. And a visual prompt generator running on official tool documentation. If you've been following this series, you already know, every episode brings a different angle, a new tool, a better workflow. If this video gives you something useful and you want to see the series keep going, drop a "continue" in the comments. That's the only signal I track. Case 1. Topic selection. The crypto market never stops moving. New coins, new regulation, new drama. Every week there's something your audience wants to understand. Most creators miss these windows because they have no system to catch them. Instead of starting from scratch every time, we're going to build a topic selector that reads live crypto news and surfaces your strongest video idea right now. Open NotebookLM and create a new project. Now we feed it the right sources. Open Google and search latest crypto news. What comes back is a live feed of what's happening right now, and that's exactly what we want. Scan the results and look for trustworthy outlets, established crypto publications, major financial news sites, reputable tech journalism. Avoid thin blogs. Copy around 10 solid URLs from the results page, one by one, and paste each into NotebookLM. Hit next and let the sources load. Sources loaded. Now we give this notebook its job description. Go to Configurations, Chat, Custom. Paste in the topic selector prompt that you can see on your screen. It also in the description. This tells NotebookLM to stop acting like a search engine and start thinking like a content strategist, reading across all your sources at once and surfacing the ideas with the strongest viewer potential right now. Paste it in, save, and name this notebook topic selector. In the chat, type, "Give me 5 topic ideas in crypto to cover in my next video for high views." What comes back isn't generic filler. Every idea is shaped by the live news you just loaded. Specific, timely, already framed with a hook in mind. Scroll through. Pick the one that genuinely interests you. I'm going with the Bitcoin signal that just flashed green for the first time since 2023. That's our topic. Everything from here is built around it. Before case 2, I put the complete production system into a guide called the Faceless YouTube Engine. 9 stages, fully mapped. Every chapter ends with a checklist, so you know exactly what to do before moving on, and a homework task so nothing stays theoretical. Each lesson is built around a real sample video constructed alongside you. Never made a video? This gets you there. Already producing? This cuts your time in half. Link in the description. Case 2. Title and thumbnail. Topic locked. But a good topic won't get clicks on its own. The packaging stops the scroll. Most people guess at the title and figure out the thumbnail after the script is written. We're going to build both from real competitor data before we write a single word. Open a fresh NotebookLM project. This time our sources are YouTube channel homepages, not news sites. 5 to 6 finance channels already proven to perform. Not specific videos, the full homepage URL. I go to the first channel, copy the URL from the address bar, paste it into NotebookLM, then the next, 5 to 6 total. What I've loaded is a reference library from channels where titles and thumbnails are already doing the hard work of getting clicks. Configurations, Chat, Custom. Paste the title and thumbnail creator prompt from the description. This tells NotebookLM to analyze packaging patterns across all 5 channels and apply those same structures to our topic. Not guessing at what works. Reading what is already working in this exact niche. Save it, and name this notebook Title and Thumbnail Creator. Go to Chat, and write Create 5 title and thumbnail options for high CTR for the following topic. Then copy the topic from the previous NotebookLM and paste it below. Hit Generate. As you can see, NotebookLM creates options. Each option has title, thumbnail description, and image prompt to create thumbnail. Now I am going through options created. I am selecting option 1. First, I copy the image prompt, open Google Flow, make sure image generation with nano banana is selected, paste the prompt in, and hit Generate. And look at what comes out. Red crashing candlesticks on the left, panic, sell-off, minus 45%. An exploding green candle on the right, plus 210%, moonshot, buy. Do not sell in block letters right across the top. Left side triggers fear, right side triggers hope. That emotional split in a single frame is what stops a scroll and forces a click. Case 3, script writing. Topic locked. Title and thumbnail locked. Now we fill the middle, and this is where most AI content falls apart. Generic hooks, flat pacing, scripts that sound exactly like every other channel. The problem is not the AI, it is what you feed it. Open a fresh NotebookLM project. Go to YouTube. Type the topic directly into the search bar. The Bitcoin signal that just flashed green for the first time since 2023. The default results page is enough. Scroll through and look at the upload dates. You want recent videos, content from the last 7 days, when this exact signal was actively being discussed. Skip anything older. Recent sources produce recent scripts, and that is what makes this video feel current the moment it goes live. Pick 5 videos with recent dates and copy each URL into NotebookLM one by one. When all 5 are loaded, you have a research base built from what is being said about this topic right now. Configurations, chat, custom. Paste the scriptwriter prompt from the description. This tells NotebookLM to study the hook structures and pacing patterns from the videos we loaded. Then write an original script applying those same techniques to our topic. Pattern recognition, not copying. 2 completely different things. Save it and name this notebook Scriptwriter. Go to chat and write a 600-word YouTube script for the following topic. Then copy the topic from the previous NotebookLM again and paste it below. Hit Generate. As you can see, NotebookLM creates the script. The script is ready. Before we read it, scroll slowly from the top. See those small numbers sitting next to the claims throughout the text? Each one is a source citation, pointing to exactly which of your 5 videos that specific piece of information came from. Every stat, traceable. Every claim sourced. That is what keeps this content off YouTube's radar and keeps your channel safe. Now the hook. Your purchasing power is disappearing at an exponential rate right under your nose. Groceries, gas, rent, everything is up, and governments are planning to print even more money. But while everyday people are getting squeezed by inflation and economic uncertainty, a rare, shocking Bitcoin indicator just flashed green for the first time since 2023. That is a very engaging hook. Economic pain in the first sentence, personal stakes in the second, an unexpected event in the third that forces the viewer to stay and find out what comes next. And the outro. So you have a choice. You can let inflation melt your savings, or you can start paying attention to the signals flashing right in front of you. Are you heavily accumulating Bitcoin right now, or are you waiting for a pullback? Ends with a direct question. Splits the audience into 2 camps and asks them to pick a side. That kind of closing keeps the comment section alive for days, and an active comment section is one of the strongest signals the algorithm uses to keep pushing a video. Script done. One more thing before case 4. The faceless YouTube engine doesn't just give you a checklist. It walks through a complete sample video with you at every stage. Every chapter ends with homework that makes the next chapter faster. If you want a system that compounds with every video you make, that guide is the one. Link in the description. Case 4. Visual production. Script is written. Now we turn it into something people will actually watch. Most creators improvise the visuals and it shows. Scenes that don't match the voiceover. Energy that never builds. We are going to plan every frame before we generate a single clip. Open a new NotebookLM project. First search, VO Prompting Guide. Copy the top result and paste into NotebookLM, the official VO documentation, the exact parameters and syntax Google Vids uses to generate video. Second search, Meta Video Prompting Guide. Copy that URL and paste it in as a second source. Meta AI's documentation, completely different architecture and prompting rules. Both guides loaded. Hit Next. Configurations, Chat, Custom. Paste the visual planner prompt from the description. This turns NotebookLM into a production assistant that reads both documentation guides and builds a complete scene-by-scene plan. One prompt per voiceover line, capped at 20 words, written exactly to what each tool can do. Save it and name this notebook Visual Planner. Into the chat, create visual plan for the following script and paste in the hook section. Hit Generate and wait. The plan comes back as a clean table. Scene number, voiceover line, video prompt. Every prompt structured to the documentation rules we loaded. Now we generate the actual clips, and we are using two different tools for this. Google Vids first. Search for Google Vids on Google. Go to the first result. Log in with your Google account. Select VEO from the right panel. Copy the VO formatted prompt, paste it in, and hit Generate. Let's see the result. Clean, cinematic motion. Exactly what the prompt called for. One thing to know, Google Vids runs on a monthly free credit limit with VEO. Generous, but it caps. Use it for your highest priority scenes. Now Meta AI. Go to meta.ai. Select Create Video to start creating videos for free. Copy the video prompt of the second scene, paste and generate. Meta AI creates 4 different results. Let's see one of them. Different visual tone, warmer, slightly different motion, but very cinematic. And right now, Meta AI is completely free with no monthly cap. Free tiers on top tools shift constantly though, sometimes without notice. I track this daily and share updates. Subscribe if staying ahead of that matters to you. That is the complete AI video engine. 4 cases all running inside NotebookLM for free. Every prompt used today is in the description. Copy them, paste them in, and start building. And if you want me to continue this series with new videos, don't forget to like the video and write "Continue" in the comments. I'll decide based on your likes and comments. If you want to go even deeper and learn another powerful workflow for creating faceless content, click the video on your screen. In that video, I'll walk you through a different step-by-step method you can use to generate content ideas and create videos faster. See you there.